Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga has postponed his April visit to the Philippines. Suga decided to set his official visit to another date to focus on handling the surge of COVID-19 cases in his country. Malacanang said it understands the decision of the Japanese leader. Despite the postponed visit, Malacanang assured the ties between the Philippines and Japan will remain strong. Suga was elected as Japan's Prime Minister in September 2020 following the resignation of Prime Minister Shinzo Abe due to health reasons.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.